Alright guys, आसा खालामो नोंथांमोना बयबो मोजाङैनो दं। दिनै आं मोनसे गोजाम बाथ्रा लानानै फैदों। 2003 निफ्राय जागायनानै 2020 सिम। नोंथांमोना मिथिखागौ 2003 आव मोनसे बड' एकर्ड जादोंमोन। बे एकर्डनि हेफाजाबजोंनो बड'लेण्डआव 750 crore रां पेकेज मोननाय जादों। बे पेकेजजोंनो बै समनि सोरखारा माखासे गोबां प्रजेक्ट मावदों। बे प्रजेक्टनि सोमोन्दै नोंथाङा मिथिनो लुबैदोंबा बे भिडिअखौ नायलांबाय थादो। मानोना बेयो मोनसे गोजाम बाथ्रा। नोंथाङा इन्टारेस्ट थायाबो जानो हागौ। ओंखायनो आं बुंखाबाय। Alright, we will walk through that history and see बे जारिमिना जोंनि थाखाय गोजोनथाव ना दुखुनांथावमोन बेखौ जोङो नायफिनहैनि। Alright, आं एसे आगोलावनो बुंखादों गोरोबथानि उनाव बड'लेण्डआव 500 crores मोनदोंमोन 2003 that means 2004 आव मोनदों आरो बे 2004 आव मोननाय 2003 2004 आव मोननाय 500 crore जोंनो बै समनि सोरखारा मानिनां हाग्रामा महिलारिया गोबां प्रजेक्ट मावदों। बे गोरोबथायाव आरो मोनसे बाथ्रा दंबायोमोन। बे राङा जुदि थोजासे जायाबा प्रजेक्टफोरखौ मावनो हायाबा बेखौ आरो रिभिउ खालामफिनगोन। बेखायनो 2008 आव बेखौ आरो रिभिउ खालामफिनदों। रिभिउ खालामखांनायनि उनाव 2008 आव 250 crore बो होबावदों। बे समाव प्राइम मिनिस्टारा आसामाव फैदोंमोन। बिथाङा 250 crore आरो होलांबावदों। बेखायनो टोटेल पेकेजानो जाहैदों 750 crore. Huge money, huge money. So they might have used this money for good purpose. We'll see all of them. बेनि उनाव जोङो माखासे एनालिसिस खालामगोन जेरैहाय भल्युम एनालिसिस then सेकेन्डआव दङ जोंहा सेक्टर एनालिसिस बेनिफ्राय थार्डआव दं जोंहा sanction versus expenditure versus utilization analysis. The last one is very interesting मानोना फैसाखौ जों मोनबाय एक्सपेन्डिचार जाबाय बेनिफ्राय utilization in certificate बो होनांगौ दे गभर्नमेन्टनि प्रजेक्टसफोराव so that there is no money leakage. फैसाफोरखौ बबेबा मोजां हाबा मावदों ना मावाखै प्रजेक्टआव मावाखै नामा दस्रायावसो मावदों नामा बेनि भेरिफिकेसन खालामो बेनिफ्राय utilization certificate होयो. Alright. So last one is very interesting and very important. बेनिफ्राय जोबनायाव towards the end of this video I'll have list of projects. I have selected some projects. बे प्रजेक्टफोरखौ आं मोनसे नोंथांमोननो देखायगोन ओमफ्राय एसे सावरायगोन. Okay, let us get going. Alright, नैबेनो जाहैबाय भल्युम एनालिसिस आखिथिङै मोनसे टेबल दङ नै जोंहा फार्स्ट कलामाव दङ जोंहा year सेकेन्ड कलामाव जाबाय cost of the project बेनिफ्राय number of projects बेनिफ्राय percentage of this project's expenditure. Alright, so 2004 आव गोबां प्रजेक्ट मावदों. There are 7 projects. बेनिफ्राय total project cost आनो जाहैदों 88.55 crores. Alright, बेनिफ्राय 2005 आव project cost आ जाहैदों 334.04 crores. Huge money. 29 projects. Okay, then 2006 आव 16.45 crores. Only 3 projects. Right, 2008 आव 16.03 crores, बेनिफ्राय 2 projects. 2010 आव 45.13 crores, 4 projects. 2011 आव 85.05 crores, then 7 projects. 2012 आव 100.22 crores, बेनिफ्राय 7 projects. 2013 आव 30.94 crores, 2 projects. 2014 आव 25.54 crores, 2 projects. 2020 आव 7.70 crores, बेनिफ्राय 2 projects. Total project cost, I think 749.65 crores. Total number of projects, I think 65. Okay. Jangmitikago total package 750 crores. Benefit cost, I think 749.65 crores. That means they have almost used the package. Only 35 lakhs need a project Mawaki. Almost they have utilized the entire 750 crores. This looks very good. At this stage, it looks very good. Okay. Now, if you look at the percentage, 2004 11.81% mauna the total kharsa ni biji total cost ni 11.81% mauna the and project jagai de mauna ani matra no jagai jending start jading project start jading 2004 2005 44.56% total cost ni project jagai jending it's a huge, right? Huge. 2005 benefited 2012 Gabang project Jagaijente, like 13.37%. Okay, so 2005 and 2012 looks like very effective, productive years. Maybe by sector analysis, जोंहा गोबां sector दङ. बे sector column बेनिफ्राय नैबे cost column बेनिफ्राय percentage column. Alright, जोंहा गोबां sector दङ जेरै first sector आनो जाहैदों education sector. Education sector आव 2.96 crore बाहायनाय जादों. Very low, only 0.39% of 749.65. This is somewhat low. Okay, we'll discuss. Power sector आव बाहायदों 5.20 crores. Sports are providing 10.00 crores. This is good. Water supply providing 42.85 crores. Health providing 46.10 crore. This is also good. Irrigation and flood control providing 51.98 crores. Miscellaneous providing 150.35 crores. Miscellaneous sector wade. Be miscellaneous. How gabang sector mo because jo kalam nani miscellaneous mane hede. Bodo ni ba diba miscellaneous mean lavara, like lava angkri mama thai, mama making thai alu, gobi, panta vajna thai na. It's a mix of so many vegetables, right? Kaine ko miscellaneous. Eba lavara bungde. When you pray. Roads and bridges providing 440.21 crore. This is huge. Percentage is 58.72%. Roads and bridges provide. Manana, bai semua जोंनि Bodoland मोजां लामा गैयामोन, मोजां bridge गैयामोन, बायला जिला लामाफ्रा गारिखौनो सालायनो हायामोन ना जोङो बिराद गाज्रिमोन ना. सेक्टराव बेखौ नायफिनोबा नुगोन एजुकेशनाव very low. आंनि साननाय बादिबा बेयाव आरो माखासे रां बाहायबावोबा मोजां जागौमोन होननानै आं सानो. नोंथाङा मा सानो? Comment sectionआव लिरनानै हर. Okay, we'll move on now. Alright, बेनो जाहैबाय sanction versus expenditure versus UC. UC means utilization certificate receipt or not. Okay, खामानि मावखांनायनि उनाव certificate होयो. Okay, खामानिया जादों. फैसाखौ बाहायदों बिदि होननानै certificate होयो. Okay, so first column दङ जोंहा year, second column जोंहा sanction, बेसेबां sanction जायामोन जों आगोलावबो नुबोखादों. बेनिफ्राय expenditure, बेसेबां खरसा खालामदों माने बेसेबां फैसा लाबोदों. Okay, बेनिफ्राय utilization माने बेसेबां बे फैसाखौ really projectआव बेसेबां बाहायखो, बिनि बेसेबां projectआ मावजाखो खामानि, project खामानि जेसे मोनसे दालां लुनायाव दालाङा बेसेबां percentage बाहायजाखो बेनिनो equal amount. Okay, then so expenditure खौ नायदो 88.55 sanction जादोंमोन, बेनिफ्राय 84.8912 खरसा जादों होननानै बुंदों. बेनिफ्राय utilization certificate 87.5073 मोनदों, percentage this much 103.08%. Okay, Likewise, नोंथांमोना नायलांदो it's a huge, okay, 334.04 sanction जानायाव बेनिफ्राय फैसा लाबोदोंमोन 327.187 नि utilization जादोंमोन certificate 332.8322 crore percentage 101.73 crore नोंथांमोना बेखौ नायदो 100% should be 100% everywhere, or it could be less than 100%. Except these two lines, all are at 100% or less than 100%. 100% is the perfect one. 100% or vision is the perfect one. Okay, so most of the lines are 100%, yeah, 99%. So this is, I feel it is good. This data looks good. Comment section only now there. All right, let us move on. Okay, name by some project list. Ang sanay ba di ang makasi project list lang na mitang wala na This project setting up of model dairy, fishery, horticulture, poultry farm, training center at Kokrajhar under Baksa district. All right, Besibang kharsa jadeng the project of rupees 11.46 crores. Huge money. Okay. Nanguna naide ang I'll just play out, okay. Nanguna naide maybe interesting, maybe Kokrajhar water supply scheme 23.12 crores. That means Kokrajhar town water supply ni project setting. Kokrajhar pipe water mo na naman. Nangtanga Kokrajhar ni pa comment section ulit na har. Ang tenuwa ki. So we project ang mazak. Is this a failure? We have a failure now. Because I have not seen pipe water in Kokrajhar town. All right, this is the most important projects according to me. Current contextual live. This is very important. Setting up of IT park at Kokrajhar BTC package 2, 25.94 crores. This is a very good one. I think this is one of the best projects. I must appreciate the Sarkar for this. Right? We'll move on. All right, this slide may be interesting. This is very important. Okay, construction of waterfall cultural complex at Kokrajhar, 18.44 crores. This is a good one. Where physically you can see how useful it is. This is a very good one. Then you have this one, Bodoland Bhavan at Dwarka, New Delhi. Total cost is 9.10 crores. This is also very useful. Then we have this renovation, reconstruction of R&B Civil Hospital at Kokrajhar, 7.58 crores. Excellent. Bodo Language Research and Development Center for Gogoi University, 2.96 crores. Excellent. Then cold storage, which is very important. Construction of cold storage at Barama, package 2, BTC package 2, 8.90 crores. Good projects. All right, establishment of sports complex at Salwari under additional 250 crores BTC package. Cost is I think 5.00 crores. All right. जोंनि बड'लेण्डआ डेभेलप जागासिनो दं. No doubt about this. आंहा बे बाथ्रानि थाखाय बेरेखा गैया. जोंनि क'क्राझारावनो मोननै इउनिभारसिटि दं, मोननै इन्जिनियारिं कलेज दं, आरोबाव नै जोंहा मेडिकेल कलेज दंबावोसो. बेफोरखौ नायोबा जोंनि गोसोआव गोजोननाय फैयो. नाथाय एखमबा जोङो रेड प्रजेक्ट्स नुयो. सोरखारनि रेड प्रजेक्ट्स माने फेल प्रजेक्ट जायखौ सोरखारा मोजाङै मावफुंनो हायाखै. बेफोर प्रजेक्टखौ नुयोबा गोसोआव गाज्रि मोनो. ओंखायनो रेड प्रजेक्ट्सनि एगेन्स्टै सोरखारखौ सोंखारिनांगौ. बेयो मोनसे जोंनि रेसपन्सिबिलिटि. होमबासो रेड प्रजेक्ट्सआ ग्रीन जाफिनगोन. बेखौ दाबाव दे, सोंखारिनो दाबाव. 프로젝트가 fail 자든가 생각이 내다보 다기 비꾸는 안 리퀘스트 칼럼. 데니니 비디오코 먹는 보줄래 잡아요. 이 comment section now later on the we'll meet again someday sometime on some other topic. Until then, take care. Bye.